It's a huge privilege to have Varun Dhawan with us here at Sears Center in Chicago. The fourth concert of a Dream Team tour is about to start in a few hours' time. Varun, huge pleasure to have you on Baldangama, first of all.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you so much.
You've been having a fantastic, I think, performances one after another. What is your in fact personal take on it? That has it changed something for you?
It's amazing, you know, because you've seen we do so many live interactions in India, whether it's Mumbai, Delhi, wherever we go, you know. But first time in America, the Gen X or the next generation has come here, and after the Khans, this is like the first concert that a bunch of actors have come and performed for, and it's amazing the type of response we got, and we were not sure either, and I'm sure you weren't sure when the first time when we came down. So I didn't think people would even chant my name, or they would know which movies became popular here or didn't become popular here. We knew Student of the Year was popular because that's Karan Johar, he's a brand over here. But for the rest of us, I mean, we were unsure. And now, I mean, it's amazing. I think San Jose was record capacity. We beat the earlier capacity over there in that stadium. And tonight's supposed to be pretty packed. And I know for a fact that Jersey is sold out, so that's pretty cool.
Your entry point, the way you just make the entry, is something that is, I think, the highlight. आप एकदम ऊपर से आप in fact आप आते हैं, and then you just that entire energy that you display, and just running towards the platform. Is it something that you planned much in advance, or how was it?
That was planned really a lot in advance, and the reason that we did that was because you know, I've got a couple of inspirations for doing that, and one of them is Shawn Michael. I'm a huge fan of wrestling, everyone knows that. So he came down during one WrestleMania and he entered like the stadium and he ran. Then even I remember seeing concerts of Salman Bhai and Akshay Kumar, where they would come down from harnesses and stuff like that, you know, and no one's been doing that for a while. At least we try to do them, we do them in India, but we don't do them from that much height, you know, because we don't have stadiums that are packed like that. हम लोग indoor नहीं करते, हम लोग outdoor करते usually. So this was great, you know, just coming from, because we are performing in a lot of basketball stadiums, so it's just above the scoreboard to come down, and it's a little scary, to be very honest, and I was not sure about it. But now that I've done, yeah, you've seen me getting scared initially. But actually, after doing that helicopter stunt in Dishum, now the height thing is, I think now people just expect me to come from the sky for things.
In Orlando, you lifted two girls, and they've just gone crazy, those girls. Now, in fact, bets लग रही हैं कि क्या वो same चीज़ repeat होने वाली है यहाँ पर शिकागो में भी.
See, there's one girl for Sid, one girl for Adi, and one girl for me, so I can't take their girls, so I'm going to let them be with them. But yeah, I mean, it was an impromptu thing. I think each place has its own energy. Chicago has its own energy, and let's see something different we'll do. I'm a big Chicago Bulls fan, so let's see, I'll do a small skit for them regarding that. But more than anything, it's just the Indian community that is over here, you know. It's so big, it's so huge, and this is a way of us giving back to them. And America is a huge market for our actors. America is a huge market for our films. So if we need to grow as an industry, we need to cement our places over here like the earlier superstars have done, and we are much smaller. We are actors, we are not stars, superstars. We still need to grow to that status, but this is one step ahead.
Definitely, you know, the thing is, you're being modest. In fact, you've had like a 10% success ratio, and there are so many fans of yours. In fact, we've been encountering, because क्या है कि that I have this thing that they keep on asking कि कहाँ पर ठहरे हुए हैं, where are they right now? रात में 12 बजे. I'm being honest. I came, there's a friend of mine, he came from Ohio, and we came in after dinner at around 12 o'clock, and there was this girl who saw this badge in my over here, and she said that, do you know where Varun Dhawan is right now? I was like, I can't tell you. I don't know, first of all, and I can't tell you. So how do you react to this entire fan following that you've developed?
I honestly don't know how to react.
Your fans have been fighting on Twitter as well. I'm sure that you must have seen.
Yeah, I know they fight. Honestly, I just want to tell all of them, please don't fight. Please don't badmouth other actors, because that's not cool. That's not the reason why I do this. You know, whenever the security is really strict here. So whenever I get a chance to interact with a bunch of fans, and if there are like 15, 16 of them, I want to go there, I want to take pictures. And more than take pictures, I want to talk to them. I want to ask them that, what do you like, what you don't like. what type of films do you want to watch, because it's different. They're growing up in a different country, so I mean, what are their tastes eventually? Because eventually I think cinema as a whole is becoming global. So today, if you might say, oh, we are the Indian actors here, but this might be the same stadium where Jay-Z performed or Chris Brown performed. So on YouTube, I know for a fact that the Indian youth watches the VMAs, or they watch so many concerts on YouTube. So we are competing with the world today. We are not only competing with India.
As I mentioned to you in San Jose press conference as well, it was in Houston. It was very surprising when you just came up with Chunar. In fact, वो आपकी आंखों में वो दिखता है that you have those moist eyes. You can't put glycerine into it at that moment. I asked you there as well that in a way it was a risk and it has paid off. Somewhere did you follow your heart instead of just following कि यार ये एकदम तड़कते भड़कते, in fact numbers, and this is the only thing that can work in a show?
Definitely एक तरीके से risk तो था, क्योंकि usually when you're performing live, you want all these upbeat songs, and I have a lot of upbeat songs, and I had to let go of some of them to put in a Chunar or a Ji Karda. And people have asked me that, from all the other performances, why is your performance a little dark, or why is your performance a little emotional, or why is it like that? Because I don't know, I think that's the state of mind I am in. I have done so many light-hearted roles, but sometimes, I'm like, I've done the comedy, I've just promoted Dishum, and I've done that with the Indian audience. So now I was like, I want to give back. I want to give back to my country. And Chunar is not only for my mother, it's for all the mothers around. And it was a risk. It was a risk, because how would people react? You come in with this energy and all, and suddenly you jump like, bum. Absolutely. And you're like, now what? And I've been known for my dancing, and I dance well, and there are many more better dancers than me also. But somewhere I thought that, okay, people know this about me, but I'm an actor, I'm a performer. So if that emotion which I put into a scene, let me see if I can do that emotion live for 10,000 people, 12,000 people, and let's see whether they get emotional. But let's see how that
in fact, Tan Tana Tan, you're doing a Jodwa song, Salman Khan, and you're doing Jodwa 2 as well. I'm sure that in a way you also get vibes as far as how people are going to react to you in Jodwa 2 when you may see them just simply drooling as far as Tan Tana Tan is
Tan Tana Tan is a test. It is a test.
I meant to say
it's a test because I don't know how else to test it. I don't know how else that I can't do like a scene and then put it out and then see like अरे लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है नहीं पसंद आ रहा है. It's a huge film. It's a huge responsibility. And it's a huge song, and definitely, I mean, I can say it now that Tan Tana Tan 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 Tara and one more very popular song from Jodwa 2 have been retained in the film. So we will be doing our version of it. So how will people react on me doing that song? And trust me, I think around 15 years back, I have seen Salman Bhai do this song in America, in San Jose myself. I've seen it. I've been sitting in that audience and I've seen him do the whole song, and I've seen him take out his shirt and do whatever his full jig what Bhai does. I've seen him do that sitting in the audience and seeing people go mad. So I'm like, now when Jodwa 2 is going to be a completely different film, but I mean everyone knows that's a Salman Khan song. So I mean first people have to be ready to accept that I'm going to be doing that song. So it was a test, and I'm quite it gives me personally a lot of happiness. Like when I'm like fully like amped up when that song happens.
And he's tweeted about Dream Team as well.
He has. That's really cool. I think no one does that. He's doing it, and it's amazing. Not only him, I think even Akshay sir did this really cool hula hoop thing, thanking all of us. And it's nice, when the whole fraternity is together. It's really nice the way they do it, and that's the way I want to conduct myself going ahead. We are one industry, and we need to grow together if we want to sustain our films and make better films. And I think this year, I mean, for me, I'm blessed when you say 10% or whatever films doing well and stuff like that. 7 films. It adds more pressure in a way, but it's all for the fans. Yeah, it's not only about sustaining success. For me is not only that giving that 1, 2, 3 hits. Sustaining success or growing success is the toughest thing ever to do in life. Yeah.
In fact, David G, I think celebrated his birthday recently, and how's the experience of just working with him once again for Jodwa 2? You can share something.
He's not an easy man to please. Let me just tell you that much. And now because he's editor. So you got to be on the ball. You got to be ready. And for me, he's the original. He is the Bap of comedies. He is I mean, they call him the box office king, they call him whatever. I mean, talking about my success rate, his success rate is something that, I mean, forget the fact that he's my father, but besides that, in himself, he's a legendary filmmaker. So to team up with him again after Main Tera Hero, I know it's not going to be easy, because he's going to be expecting a lot from me. He's expecting a lot from me, and I have to get ready. I have to get ready for that film.
Personally, I've got a lot of feedback for Samjhawa with Alia.
Yeah.
People, I don't know, for some reason or other, the fans have been loving it. What is it about this entire about Samjhawa? Because that song has become, and you're doing another film with them, the sequel to.
I'm doing with Shashank, with Karan Johar, and the music of Badrinath is really good. Yeah, I'm really happy. Karan has a great taste of music, and Karan and Shashank are really working hard at making sure that we get the best possible music next year in that album. We've got one more emotional song in that film, a love song, a love theme, which fingers crossed will during Holi next year. Holi next year, so fingers crossed about Badrinath. It's Badrinath Ki Dulhania is a film that is a long time in the making, because the subject of Badrinath is something that me and Shashank discussed a lot during making Humpty. And it's a film that has a message which is, I think, very important for our country, and not only as an actor but as the citizen of India, I want that message to come out, you know. Absolutely. It's a role which is very, very entertaining. I have an accent in the film, and it's not me. I can just tell you, Badrinath is not Varun Dhawan from like anywhere.
What else apart from Badrinath and Johar?
There are a couple of things. It's too soon to talk, but there are a couple of things. I don't want to reveal much, because I think that the producers should do, or the directors should do. But there's so many filmmakers that I want to work with.
Sajid Bhai, you doing something once again? Sajid Bhai brother?
Judwa 2 is Sajid Sir's.
Anything else apart? Some report that you're doing maybe something else with
Sajid Sir? No. As of now, it's just Judwa 2. He's in Chicago actually today. He is in Chicago today. As of now, it's just Judwa 2. There are a couple of exciting things. There's something which Sriram and me keep jamming. We keep talking. So when...
You know, a lot of people are talking about Badlapur. We were speaking, I think, yes.
Shocked. How many people talk about it here? You know?
In fact, even yesterday someone was talking about it, that he should keep on doing those experiments, because that will just take him further as an actor. Last question, you're also performing with Katrina Kaif. She is one of the finest performers that we've had as far as stage show performer, and she's had some finest songs. How's that?
She is what she is because of how hard she works. That lady is something else. I mean, her dedication is tremendous. She's the hardest worker in this team, for sure, by far. She rehearses, she's on mark, whether it's her diet, her hard work. She's in the gym before any of us boys, and she's tremendous, you know. She's, I mean, that's one song whenever I go in for, I'm always like pumped, because I know I'm dancing with Katrina Kaif, so I know I can't like just go through with energy, because I know that she has the same energy and she's got that same finesse in her steps, because she loves street hip hop like I do and stuff like that. And we want to do something bigger, so probably when the Dream Team travels to different countries, which we hope it will, me and she'll probably have a longer duet where it'll be like a competition or something. We want to do something.
One more last question. I asked Parineeti yesterday as well. People think that it's all fun and games, it's all entertainment. But the amount of hard work that has gone into what you guys are doing in terms of the traveling involved, the time zones shift, and then at times lack of rehearsals, and then putting up like a 3 hours show, and then traveling once again. I would like to say something about that. How like people at times treat entertainment industry in a frivolous manner, but they should understand that there's a lot of work that goes into it.
There's a lot of work that...
the people will start judging you.
You know, I think more than me, I think hats off to... I was just looking if Puneet or Binny were there, because we should speak to them, but Puneet, Binny, the entire choreography team, the dancers, yeah, it's so difficult for them. So I don't want to say anything that is difficult for me or difficult for the other actors. What these guys go through, we go through 50% of that. Let me tell you that much, because they are underslept, they've not eaten, they don't even get paid. They don't even get paid half of what we get paid. But yet they're there, and I mean, that's why I did a film like ABCD too, and you know, it's tremendous. I see them, and then the energy just comes back. I see them, I see the audience, and I mean, because I've done a film like that, so they all call me Suru. Before we go, they're like, Suru, chal, Suru. So that's my like dance name or whatever you want to call it. But it's tremendous how hard those boys and girls work, and I'm proud of them, you know, that we have so much talent in our country that our background dancers are better than any of the dancers in the world, I feel.
Fantastic. So thank you very much, Varun, for your time. And I must tell you that a lot of people have told us in USA that Varun is one guy who's always, in fact, he's very humble, and he's always kabhi bhi agar aap jayein to he never starry tantrums bilkul bhi nahi hai. He's very, very approachable. A lot of people have told me that from within our team as well, who didn't know you much, and even apart from that. So congratulations and I hope that you maintain that. That's very important. Thanks a lot.